Welcome dear students to P.N.AMERSEY e-learning classes. So dear children, today we shall start with new activity, that is activity number 3 from the chapter Invention. Here are some more famous inventions. Work with a partner or group to add 3 more inventions to the list. What are some problems that each of these inventions solved? So here are 3 types of inventions are given, and what you have to do is you have to find out what are the problems that these inventions solved us. First one is sewing machine, second is oven, third is antibiotics. So what is the work of sewing machine? It stitches clothes to fit the people's body. Second is oven, warming food and preparing some eatables just in minutes. Third one is antibiotics, preventing infections caused by different bacteria and viruses. Right, children? So individually list 3 real problems that you know about the might be solved with a new invention. What you have to do is you have to find out new problems that can be solved with an invention. For example, I can give you like scarcity of water can be solved by converting seawater into drinking water. On the home front, a house cleaning robot is desired. A magic phone that works everywhere from mountain tops to subways, and it should function without the user having to switch SIM cards. So like this, yes, you have to list out the problems that can be solved with a new invention. In a pair or group, share the list of problems you each made. Use ideas from everyone's list to make a new list. The new list will list the 5 most serious problems from all the list you shared. So next what you have to do is you have to write down the problems that can be solved with the inventions, and you have to list out 5 problems from that list, and you have to write it down in the box given below. That is, our group looked at everyone's list and agreed these 5 problems are all very serious. So here the table is given, in that you have to list out and write the 5 major problems that can be solved by the invention. Understood, children? Next is activity number 4. You don't need to be famous to invent things. You don't even need to be grown up. You just need to see a problem and think of a new way to solve it. Read this story about a young boy who invented a new way to solve a problem. Smart Boy Invents Smart Bell Part 1. It is taken from the newspaper report June 2011, England, UK. A British schoolboy will earn up to 20.5 lakhs for his invention of a doorbell that fools burglars. Burglars means robbers, you can say, into thinking somebody is at home in an empty house. Lawrence Rook, 13, from southern England, is the inventor of Smart Bell. Smart Bell looks and works like a regular doorbell. Usually visitors ring the doorbell to let the owner of the house know someone is at the door. The owner answers the doorbell by opening the door to admit the visitor. But what if no one is home? Then no one will answer the doorbell and visitor will go away. Sometimes in the UK, burglars ring the doorbell. If no one answers them, they may go into the empty house and steal the things from the house. However, if no one answers the smart bell does something special. What is the problem in Smart Boy Creates Smart Bell? Do you think this problem is more or less serious than the problems in the list your group made in the earlier activity? Yes, children, so you have to sort out the problem given in this activity is big, or the problems that you have written in the list that you can solve with the invention, that are the big problems. So you have to find out that. So the summary of the unit Smart Boy Invents Smart Bell is: Lawrence Rook, a small boy of 13, invented Smart Bell, that is a doorbell which befools burglars into thinking that somebody is at home in an empty house. It works as a regular doorbell. Generally, ringing of the doorbell is answered by opening the door but if in case nobody is there in the house, the door will not open and the burglars get opportunity to break into the house. But this smart bell does something special. So this problem inspired by the smart boy to invent a device which can make the burglars think that there is somebody in the house, even if the house is empty, and they would drop the idea of burglaring into the house. So children, today we completed the activity number 3 and activity number 4. Hope you like this video. Thank you children. Stay home. Stay safe.